What's up guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and here in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gboard themes. So you want to click on settings, then click on general management, then keyboard list on default, then click on your Gboard here. And here you will find themes guys, or theme, and from here you can choose if you want to choose one of those default themes, right? You can choose it and you can see how it looks. Otherwise guys, you can choose to download like a color. So let's say you want something red, you can tap on that and you can get a preview to see how it looks, right? So you can choose that as well. I love the landscape one, so if you want something in the landscape, you can tap on that and you can see how it will look there. Now once you go ahead and you find something that you love, let's say this one, you can click and apply, and that's it. You also have others like light gradient, dark gradient, and you can choose something there as well. Now once you finish, you can do whatever you want. You can find somewhere where you can type, and you will see that your keyboard now has a brand new style where you can easily make it looks really nice, and you can use your keyboard from that new style and theme. But guys, that's all. You can easily go ahead and change the theme on your Gboard by changing the theme with these steps that I showed you, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.